guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And right now I'm vlogging. It is currently, oh wait, I'm vlogging on my phone, so I can't see the time. Somebody give me an estimate of the time. Anyway, it's currently like 7-ish in the morning, and
a plastic bag.
we took a little tiny, I guess you could say, road trip to Columbia.
Where is my bag?
Say baggy one more time and then we'll find it.
Where's my Ziploc bag?
I was playing Jonas Brothers
change
in my headphones.
It's for me, you must.
And it felt like, and I fell asleep, and it felt like I was playing it for like hours. And I wake up to find out we're only 30 minutes. We're 30 minutes. I mean, we're 30 minutes away. Yeah, but I fell asleep. When I woke up, I was expecting to be there. It's ridiculous.
It wasn't moving.
I keep switching the vlog between my phone and my camera because my camera lens messed up. So I was like, okay. So I switched it to my phone. And my phone, I started filming out here, and I opened up my camera to see what was wrong with it. And my camera was doing cool. So now I'm back on. Anyway, I don't even know where this vlog is actually going to be. I'm not. You're ad-libbing. What's up, guys? So it's been a very long time since I last vlogged. Actually it's been 4 or 5 hours. So we went to go do what we was gonna do. It's a little bit personal, so I didn't really want to vlog it because it's mad personal, but we went to go do what we was gonna do, and now we're headed home. We got like 2 hours, an hour of driving till we get home, and then we're debating on going to a soccer game. 9 times out of 10 we're not, because it is currently 2:17. And from what I've been told, the soccer game is like 5 or 6, and no one's feeling like going to it because we're tired. We've been up since, I did not get any sleep actually. We've been up since like 4, and then we've been up since 4 o'clock this morning, and then we laid down for a little bit, but I laid down and started watching TV. I didn't get any sleep, so literally I have not gotten any sleep. So legit, I'm really tired, but like I wouldn't mind going to the soccer game. Yeah, I'm just, my head kind of hurts. I'm gonna just listen to some tunes and try to go back to sleep, because I was sleeping this entire time, and I was like, okay, I should update my vlog just a little bit before I do anything else. Yeah, that's the dealio. That's the thing. So I just out to Taco Bell. Got these because we got a long drive ahead of us. So it's been a minute since I got back from the trip, and by a minute I mean 2 days. I've literally been back for a whole entire 2 days. Today is currently, well, tonight, because like 9 something at, you know, night. It is currently Monday 29th. It is 10:12 p.m. I said 9. So I was looking through the footage of the trip, and I realized that it was so boring, and if I was to just put that in a vlog by itself, that would just like be so boring, and I wouldn't watch that, so I would never upload that for someone else to watch. So I decided to add on to it by doing a night skincare routine. So yeah, let's head to the bathroom. Let's go. Oh, you guys are supposed to come with me. Let's go. So this is what I like to call the tripod of kings. It is a freaking candle, and I don't even know what the other thing was. All I know is I got it as a gift, and now I'm using it as a tripod because I lost the phone part to my normal tripod because I'm a terrible tripod owner. Yeah. So the first thing I like to do for my skincare routine is, of course, brush my teeth. Because when you brush your teeth, you automatically wash your face, and it makes a little bit difference. I feel like, I don't know. I'm just excited for that new Descendants movie to come out. I'm that excited. I don't know why, but it's coming out this Friday along with this video. Yay. Oh, and I'm just mad excited for it because I just feel like it's gonna be extremely good, and I'm sad. You know, I recently watched It's Good to Be Bad, the video, because you know every single year before the movie comes out, like a couple months before the movie comes out, they always drop the song for the main song. Like Ways to Be Wicked was last year's. The year before that was Ride to the Core. This year it's Good to Be Bad or something like that. So I recently watched that today and I was just like almost in tears for the fact that Cameron Boyce is dead. But we good. I'm still gonna watch the movie and I'm really excited for it. Alright, let's brush our teeth. I just finished brushing my teeth and now is for the face stuff. So the first thing that I use is Noxzema. Normally I keep it here for an hour, like I said in my last video, like freaking 6 months ago. Normally I keep it here for an hour, but you know, we're not gonna be extra today. We're gonna just put it on normally, and yeah. But I think I'm gonna put them on the particular pimple because I feel like it'll be mad extra just to fill my face when I know like it's just a lot. So I'm gonna put them on the particular pimples, which I have a lot up here, and then I have some growing right. Like I say growing, like they're just like some freaking plants. I have some coming in right here, and some right here, just like a whole blush line. Yay! So I finished putting it on my face, and I know I look like someone from Black Panther. No offense to Black Panther, I love that movie super much, so it looks kind of tight. I put some all on my face, I put some on my chin because I feel like something about to start going there from stress and things of that sort. Okay, so I got my rag and also got the e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser, and I don't know if I told you in the beginning of this video that I ran out, but I kind of did. I have like a freaking squirt left. I don't even have that much left. But yeah, I did a video on this. You probably see it backwards. But I did a video on this, and it is the e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser. It's a whole entire set. But this particularly is the face cleanser. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Noxzema off my face, and then I'm gonna put some of this on. Yay. Okay, so here's the tea. You see my face is like really ashy. Well, it's because I just washed it off and now it's like really dry, so I need to put something on. So basically I like to put a lot of stuff on my face. Now I like to put, this isn't shea butter, I forget. My mom makes our lotion, and she made this out of shea butter with a couple other things, but shea butter is good for your skin too, so since I don't know the ingredients of this, just use shea butter. But basically what I do is, since this package, this e.l.f. package came with e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer, I feel like the Daily Hydration Moisturizer doesn't moisturize my skin enough. I feel like my skin dries out really fast when I put the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer on. So what I do is I put on some frickin' shea butter along with some other crap, but shea butter basically. I put on some shea butter on my face. I put on some shea butter on my face. Yes, I said that. And then I put on some Daily Hydration Moisturizer. And I know it sounds mad extra, but it keeps my skin dry for hours, bro. I mean, I said dry. I said dry. Wow, let's start over. It keeps my skin hydrated for hours. It's dope, and it's like, I guess you could say it's kind of like, you know, I don't wear makeup, but you know how they, I mean, I don't know anything about makeup. It's hilarious. But you know how they say, like, you know, foundation or whatever, I think that's what it's called. I watch Alicia Marie, so I think I know a little bit of stuff. I guess, I don't know. Or whatever, you have the foundation and then you like put your makeup on top of it. Well, with this, it's like, I know it looks like mad greasy. Yeah, with this, it's like the shea butter is the foundation, and then you put the Daily Hydration Moisturizer on there, which just like kind of tops it off and gives it that glow that's really pretty. Right now I think I need to rub in some more, but basically this is like the final cut. And this is my skincare routine, my night skincare routine 2019. And I do this, I would say summer, but I do this all the time, literally. I really don't go too hard for my night skincare routine. I just do something that will keep my basically cradle my skin while I'm sleeping. And then in the morning I do like all the freaking crazy stuff that I do. But at night I just do something really simple, quick to the point, whether it's washing with black soap and putting shea butter on there and then putting some hydration oil on there, or whether it's washing with regular soap and just patting my skin down with some freaking something, I forget what it's called, but patting my skin down and just putting some shea butter. I cannot talk tonight. I do not know why. But whatever it is, I always just do something really simple, quick, to the point, because I know I'm just gonna go to bed, and it's just something to clean my skin so that the dirt won't be sitting in my face all night. A lot of people like to take more precautions at night rather than during the day, because you know, when you wake up in the morning, you want to have that fresh glow. But for me, it's a little bit different. I like to just do a lot to my face during the day, and then at night just do something that keeps my skin cradled and helps it and makes it glow. If you guys like this video, please push the big fat thumbs up button, subscribe, like, comment. I said comment, like already. Subscribe, comment down below what you think. Thank you guys for 75 subscribers. Also thank you guys for the views on the last video. Go watch that video if you have not watched that video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Ooh, 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 girl.